In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off comments on your YouTube channel. So let's go to our channel and then let's click on a particular video that we want to turn off the comments to. Let's click on edit video. And then what we want is to click on more options. Scroll down, and then over here you could see the settings for your comments. If you click that, you could select which one to filter your comments. So I want to disable it, and then I'll just click save. So what if you want to turn off the comments on the videos that are currently in your channel? Well, that is going to be easy too. Let's click our profile at the top right, and then let's go to YouTube Studio. And then let's click videos at the left. And then we want to click this checkbox here. So it will select all of your videos in this channel. And then click on edit, and then click on comments, and in the comments field you could just click on disable comments and then click on update videos. Let's just confirm this, and that will remove or turn off the comments in these videos in your channel. Now, what if we want to turn off the comments for our future uploads? Well, let's go to settings, and then let's just click upload defaults and advanced settings. And in the comments field, let's just select disable comments, or let's say it's allow comments at first, and then you want to select disable comments and then just save it. And that is how you disable comments on your YouTube channel. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.